Many a great athlete or exerciser has been stopped in their tracks by tennis elbow or lateral elbow pain. This pain and weakness at the elbow can also affect the ability to grip, hold things, and can cause pain in the outside of the elbow when carrying grocery bags or heavy items, and can also make it difficult to hold things like a tennis racket or a broom or objects at home. Knowing which trigger point could be causing this lateral elbow pain is very important. As you can see by this illustration, the supinator muscle can harbor muscle knots that can cause pain, weakness, numbness, or tingling into the lateral or outside section of the elbow, as illustrated by the red shaded areas. Also, the back of the hand near the thumb and sometimes in the crease of the bend of the elbow can hurt due to these muscle knots. Use the Knotty Tiger to apply pressure directly on the supinator muscle while you internally and externally rotate the hand. Move the hand facing up and facing down while you apply the pressure directly. Use the tiger tail on the supinator muscle, either by placing and rolling your arm along the outside edge of the tiger tail, feels great, or on the inside edge. Internally and externally rotate your arm and hand while you press. Use the tiger ball to apply compression to the supinator muscle. Lean the arm into the wall while you apply compression with your hip. Internally and externally rotate the hand and arm to alter the pressure against the supinator muscle.